Hey, how's it going? It's Dustin with Results Roofing. Yes, no, we did. I know you weren't home, but we got out there to take a look at the roof where the leak was. Yeah, so if you got, we'll go over just kind of what we found. Okay, yeah, so we found the missing shingles. It was missing shingles around the area was leaking. It looked like the roof was a little bit older. We did find some missing shingles in a couple other areas, and on the vent and around some vents and ridge. That looked like, if it's not leaking now, it could be potential. It looked like the roof was probably between 10 and 12 years old. Yes, and it definitely looks like it needs to be replaced. No, understood. Yes, it is a 30-year roof, but when Texas, when you get all the hailstorms, windstorms, and then you just have the sun beating down, so your roof didn't have any real tree coverage with the shade, so the sun just beating down. So of course, of time you get hailstorms, windstorms, the heat, it will cause the roof to age quickly. But I just wouldn't recommend repairs, because if you start pulling up shingles to replace those damaged ones or missing ones, you could end up doing more damage than good. And just with all the significant weather damage on there, I would just recommend to replace and file it and have the insurance pay for it to replace it, because look, this damage isn't going to fix itself. If it hasn't leaked before, I think it has leaked before. Okay, so yeah, the damage is not going to fix itself, right? So if your car was leaking oil, you wouldn't just drive it around to completely shot and ruin your whole car. You would want to get it fixed. And that's basically what's happening here, is that it's going to start leaking, has before, it's going to continue to leak, and then eventually what's going to happen is you're going to hit a period of time where you go to an ACV policy. And what that means is, let's just use rough numbers, like insurance would normally give you 30 grand for your roof. They're going to deduct the age of the roof, so say 15,000 off, and then you wouldn't get that remaining. As it stands right now, they would deduct that, which is called depreciation. So say 15,000, but once you completed the work and showed proof and invoices, that you would get that money back. Yeah. Yeah, so not only on top of your deductible would you be out that additional money as well, because you wouldn't get that depreciation back if it goes, I think, depending on your, I don't know how long, but sometimes it's 15 years, so you're getting pretty close. Yeah, and I sent you the photos of like the gutters and stuff and the screens, because those are involved in the same storm. It's the same like storm date. They pay to replace all that. Oh yeah, so like roof, gutters. I didn't see anything on the garage, but like the fence needed probably pressure wash and restain. And so yeah, I mean that's why you have insurance, right? Like if something goes wrong, say you break your leg, you don't just like, oh, you know what, I'll let it heal itself. You go. Use your insurance to go, get your leg fixed in a cast if it required surgery. You'd have that, right? So, I mean, with your roof, that's my professional recommendation. See what they say. You can file the claim. When they come out, we'll be there on your behalf, just to, show them what we saw as well. Yeah, but we did put the tarps up, so we put temporary tarps, so it shouldn't leak anymore. If you do notice anything else, call us, because we put tarps around there and we sealed around some of the vents, but we just want to make sure that we got it minimized. Yeah, absolutely. Take a look. I sent you the photos. Take a look. And if you have any other questions, let me know. All right. Thank you. Bye.